Hey guys, this is my Haro 200.1. I got it from Granada Cyclery, and I got some aftermarket parts for it like a month ago. I got animal Edwin De La Rosa grips, tektro brake lever, animal brake cable. The stem's not aftermarket. That's what my dad painted for me. Haro seat, stock, or not stock, Shadow Conspiracy Umbra seat post, Shadow Conspiracy seat clamp, Mankind valve caps, KMC Z410 purple chain, stolen thermalite plastic PC pedals, tektro brake pads, U-brake lever, Quando hubs, kenda contact tires. I'm gonna get some new tires. I was looking to get the stolen 2.30 tires from Dan's Comp. That's where I got mostly all my other parts. And I was gonna get tires, maybe a seat, neon green or lime green ODI long neck grips, and a lime green Shadow Conspiracy brake cable. And then I was gonna get purple Cool Stop brake pads. And I want to know if I need a half-link chain, because I ride this pretty hard and I go up a lot of hills in my neighborhood. And then here's my brother's Mach 1 GT. It's pretty cool. Shadow Conspiracy Umbra seat post red, stolen seat clamp red. And then the rest of the parts is just stock. And like I said, I get all my parts from Dan's Comp. That's where I'm gonna get most of my other parts too. And then I was maybe thinking about getting the exposer brake lever too. Alright, let me know what you think of the bike. Hope you liked the video.